Welcome to SimplyTrends. In our last video Shopify Store, we've talked how to find competitor in different ways. So today, let's dive in and grab must-have insights of your competitors. SimplyTrends provides store analysis with must-have insights including overview, tech, consumers, marketing, product statistics, and products. You can scroll and view them one at a time or click and jump to the session you need. Overview provides general information of the store. Here, you can find Shopify theme, category rank, sales, and traffic ranks information. Technology shows how your competitors run and promote their business with other tools. Click to see all 24 technologies. We've covered apps of analytics, marketing automation, payment processors, etc. You can click and add Shopify apps or view apps webpage. Consumers is a great place for you to know competitors' traffic source and volume. You can find competitors' traffic data displayed neatly in blocks, such as monthly visits, average visit duration, etc. The line chart shows the number of visits over time. Hover your mouse on the line, and you can see traffic value of that time directly. The map visualizes traffic by country, and you can understand competitors' targeted consumers. Find out how competitors attract and engage their consumers in marketing. View their social media platforms, and you can click to browse each platform right away. Know how their traffic sources are distributed in Traffic Sources Overview. Understand competitors' marketing strategy with different graphs and charts to display traffic distribution of search, social media, and display ads. Observe where the traffic goes in destination sites. Product Statistics reveals all product-related data. You can recognize total products, pricing strategy, and product launch pace. Find new releases, best sellers, and track competitors' real-time orders in products. Both grid and table view are helpful when navigating different information. View new arrivals and best sellers with just a click. Grid view wraps basic information of the products, while table view is helpful when navigating data of multiple metrics. Hover on a product image, you export product listing, find competing products, or search for suppliers with the image quickly. For dropshipping, dropshipping only helps you find suppliers that provide the same products. Live orders is a combination of the past and present. View orders over time on the left, and zoom in and out of the timeline through the horizontal bar below. Hover on a certain time node to see detailed information. Track stores' real-time orders with details, and scroll to see past orders. After browsing, you can go back to Overview and continue to look for similar stores, click and export product listings, or track more activities. In Store Insights, you can gain a bird's-eye view of all the data and conduct a comprehensive analysis of your competitors. Thanks for watching.